Hi, good morning. So today we are going to discuss the answer for the exercise we did last week, which was adverbs of degree, and then we're going to move on to page 149, and we're going to try to do this exercise here, which is adding ing to verbs. Okay, so let's get started. You can all take out your exercise book which you did this exercise on. Okay, so number one, the answer is the bag is not big enough. Okay, number one is enough. Number two, the room was large enough to put all the furniture, also enough. Number three, mother is tall enough to reach the top of the kitchen cabinet, also enough. Right, if you can see that if the if the adjective comes first, then it's automatically going to be enough. Okay, you see all the adjectives say large, big, tall. So if the adjectives comes before the adverb of degree, then it is automatically enough. You cannot say large too, or you cannot say large very to put all. You cannot, right? So number 1, 2, 3 is enough. Number 4, the rock is what is the answer? Is it very or too? The strong man cannot carry it. The rock is you see, the rock is very big. Okay, the rock is very big. The strong man cannot carry it. Even he cannot carry it, right? If he cannot carry it, that means it is too heavy for him, right? So the rock is too big for him to carry. So this is very, and then this is too, right? Number 5, the seawater is what is it, very or too? The swimmers cannot swim in it. The seawater is what is the answer? So the answer should be the seawater is very cold. The swimmers cannot swim in it. The seawater is too cold for them to swim in. So very and too. The hole in the wall is what? Is very small. Is very small. The mouse cannot go through it. The hole is too small for it to go through. Okay, that is the that concludes this exercise. I hope you all did well. So now let's move on to the next one, which is on page 149. Okay, in 149 you can see, okay, I'll read together here. The year 5 pupils of Sekolah Kebangsaan Seri Damai will organize an appreciation night for army veterans. The year 5 pupils of Sekolah Kebangsaan Seri Damai are organizing an appreciation night for army veterans. Okay, you have to remember one thing. Okay, if there is are or is, okay, this is called verb to be. Okay, if there is are or is after the verb to be, you have to have the ing. You have to have the verb have to have the ing. You have to change it. Okay, you cannot say are organized and appreciation cannot. If you say are organized, that means whatever this thing is, that is organized. Okay, you understand or not? Okay, it's okay. Never mind. Let's see the examples. When a verb ends with a silent e, we drop the e before adding the ing. Okay, if the verb ends with e, right? If there is no e, if there is e, and we do not say this, we do not say organize e, right? We say organize. Okay, that means because e is silent. Okay, if the e is silent, you can just add ing. Okay, so same, there are more examples here. Wipe, wiping, move, moving, race, racing, chase, chasing. Okay, so now let's look at the examples. Okay, number 1, the doctors are what is it? Do you say this curry? No, right? You say this care, right? E is silent, so you can just add ing. Okay, Same goes for all of this. See, you can see here are, okay, he was only this one, he was, okay, is, are, is, after this thing. Okay, this one is and verb. Okay, you can see all the ing before it, it has a are or is or were or was. Okay, so for today's for this week's exercise, I want you to do this one. Okay, 1 to 9 in any of your exercise books. Okay, and also that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.